It's Carlos, Thompson Chevrolet. Hey, just wanted to kind of go over some of the OnStar features of our General Motors cars, from the Spark all the way up to our Yukons, 3/4 ton pickups. It's equipped with OnStar. So what's nice now with the OnStar is that you have the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. You got connections and directions with the package. And all you do is you actually press this little blue OnStar button here on the rear view mirror to activate, talk to an actual live person. If you needed reservations for a hotel or directions, you get an actual live person. But the thing is, if you want, check it out. Press that blue OnStar button if you do own a GM vehicle. Or if you have any questions, come to my Facebook, Chevy Los, and or give me a call here if you guys have any questions. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.